In this video, we're going to learn how to seam the shoulder of the puff sleeve top. So to pick up for the shoulder, when you cast off, I recommend that you leave your tail end a little bit longer. So this is what it will look when you're done. So you're going to take the tail end and connect the two panels. Find that last stitch in the row and just put the yarn through. So now the two panels are connected, and then we look for that next little loop, and you put the yarn through that loop. Then you look for the next stitch on the opposite side, and you pull the yarn through. And that's pretty much it. All you do, just you keep going and alternating one side, put it through, and the opposite side. Just make sure you always go through the next stitch. And then you just keep seaming. And then you just keep going. So in the pattern, there's a recommended width, but you can always adjust it. For example, if you want your shoulder seams to be wider and the actual neck opening smaller, then you want to seam a little bit more. If you want your neck opening to be wider, then you can make the shoulder connections smaller. So just keep going until you're happy.